Hello everyone, so we are back again and today we're going to discuss the signs in algebra. So this is the requested video from one of our subscribers, and you can also comment if you want me to cover any kind of quick course, anything, any subtopic, any topic, anything. Okay, so without wasting a minute, let's get started. So signs in algebra. Now, I'm not sure what my subscriber was asking for particularly, so I'm going to start from the basic, okay? So let's talk about the integers. As we have already discussed in number system, if you haven't watched, you can watch my video. Integers. What are integers? Including 0, all the negative numbers and positive numbers without the decimal ones. Okay? Just normal number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. And here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, so on. This goes up to negative infinity. This goes up to infinity. Okay? Sorted? Now, let's talk about their signs. Now, how to deal with their signs means what kind of operations we can use. First of all, very important, we should know the basic, right? How many operations are there in math? Basic ones. There are so many operations, operators, right? So operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, right? How many operators according to them are operators? See, one is operation, one is operator, right? So operations would become plus, minus, multiply, divide, right? Okay, sorted. Now, next step is going to be when this number is going to be added with this number, what is happening, what not, like that, okay? I'm not going to go here for the number line, but let's just say that you are starting from, okay, you have to 6 minus 4. Okay, you know its answer is 2. Just trying number line, right? So, you are on 0. You have to first cover 6. Now, 6 doesn't have any sign. Means it has positive in front. Like, it's positive one, this one, okay? So, you just go to 6. You just went to 6. Okay. Now, negative means you have to move to left. Positive means right, negative means left. Okay. Now, how many numbers you have to go back? 4. 4 numbers you have to skip, not reach till 4. 4 numbers. This tells you steps. This tells you where to start. This sign in between tells you which direction to go to. Okay. So, 1 back, 2 back, 3 back, and 4. Okay. This is my answer. That's how number line works, basically. Okay. Now, I'm going to do the sign thing. Okay. So, this is one of my favorite things in the whole sign in algebra thing. Okay, what is going on here? We have number. Let's choose any two numbers, 2 and 7. Okay, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7. First, we are talking about addition and subtraction only. You should all know they are inverse of each other, so kind of follow the same pattern. And actually, it's subtraction is also a kind of addition. Okay, it's exclusive kind of addition, if that makes sense to you. But yes, subtraction is also a special kind of addition. Okay, now here let's consider these. Okay, so first step is going to be the operation. Like if these numbers are given, which operation I have to use, which operation. Okay, so second thing is going to be sign in front. Sign would always be of the bigger number. In between 2 and 7, number 7 is bigger. That's it. No overthinking, no nothing. Bigger number sign. Done? Okay. Always for sign of bigger number. Okay. Always go for this. This is second step. First step should be operation. Now here I'm going to write operation. Here I'm going to write the signs of the numbers themselves. Okay. Okay. So let's think. First of all, 2 is positive, 7 is negative. Okay. Whatever number is in front of it is its, whatever sign is in front of it, is its sign. Now there is no sign, we're going to consider it positive. Okay. So let's say I have the question 2 minus 7. What to do now? 2 minus 7. Okay. So first number of mine is positive, second number is negative. Okay. We'll come back later. Suppose next, this is negative, this is positive. Okay. Then what to do? Suppose both are positives. I'm not writing any sign in front of it, so it means it's positive. Next, suppose both are negative. This negative, both are negative. Then what to do? Right? Okay. Again, I'm telling you, first we have to go for operation, then we have to go for sign. Okay. Now let's start operation. First number positive, negative. Then negative, positive. Then positive, positive. Negative, negative. Any other combination? If you can find out, like, what if this number is that, this number is that, do comment me in the comment box down below. But for now, let's see. So, can you see these both the numbers are same? Both are same. Plus, plus, minus, minus. Both are same here. Same. Here, both have sign different. Right? When the signs are different, you go for subtraction. That's your operation, subtraction. When the signs are same, you go for addition. Is that okay? I hope it makes sense. Now let's try them out. Plus minus 2 minus 7. We're gonna do subtraction. Not normal subtraction. No 2 minus 7. I don't even know what is 2 minus 7. Not like that. Bigger number minus smaller number. What is the subtraction? 7, 2. 2 subtracted from 7. What is the answer? 5. Okay. Subtraction, write 5. Second step is sign in front of bigger number. Use that sign. What is bigger number out of these? In front sign is negative. Minus 5 is the answer. Easy? Okay. Now, next one is first number is negative. Second number is positive. Signs are different. We go for subtraction. Now, signs are different. Subtraction. Again, 7 minus 2, normal, 5. What is the sign of bigger number? Positive, just 5. Actually, it is 7 minus 2 is 5, right? You can use the calculator and check while I'm doing it, okay? Now, next. If no sign is in front of the 2, the sign is positive. So, positive 2, positive 7. Signs are same, we do addition. 2 and 7 are 9. Again, check the sign of bigger number. Positive, oh, keep it 9. Now, next. Negative 2, negative 7. Both are negative. Operation would be addition. Addition of just the numbers, just the number. Subtraction of just the number, okay? Addition of two numbers is 2 and 7. Number is, what is the sign of bigger number? Just bigger. That's the answer, okay? Now, I hope this made sense. Okay, and I would like you guys to make notes of it because this is going to be very, very helpful for the whole math you're going to do further, right? So, this was the basic integers thing. This was for just integers. Now, I'm going to do it for algebra thing like x, y and everything, okay? I hope this thing made sense. Again, when the signs are different, you go for subtraction and sign of the bigger number. Just sign in front of the bigger number. And when the signs are same, you go for addition operation, the sign of the bigger number again. Sign, do not forget to check, okay? And real quick, now you have to tell me what would you do for this. What would be the answer? Okay. Now, next thing, we just did add and subtract. Now we're going to do multiplication. Okay. So now we are going to try multiplication of integers and division. Okay. Now, what do you mean by multiplication? Negative 2 times negative 3. Negative 2 times positive 3. 2 times negative 3. And 2 times 3. Right? Any other sign? If you know what to do. Okay. Now, super duper easy. Even if you are dividing these things, same thing. 2 minuses are there. This multiply this, 6. 2 negative signs cancel each other, positive 6. One single sign, just multiply this, put a sign, because there is no space to cancel out, right? Okay. Next. Negative 6. No sign, 6. Done. Easy? Okay. Now you can obviously match it from calculator. But now, what about this question? Minus 2 minus 1. Have you seen such questions? I'm sure you do. Okay. Okay. Now minus 2 minus. Now what is happening to this negative and this negative? The one we just did before, that square thingy, right? That square one. When there are two negatives, what was the operation? Addition, right? They get added. So this became a new question. Okay? This negative becomes a positive. You see, negative, if I use like this, it becomes a positive, right? Okay. So, also, Have you seen this thing like enemy's enemy is friend? So enemy's enemy is friend, if that makes sense. Okay. Now, this is my new question now. This is my new question, all new question. Do not think about this question now, just this is gone. This is a new question. Now, first number is negative, second number is positive. First number is negative, second is positive. We're going to do subtraction operation. 2 minus 1, 1. Second step was sign of bigger number. Here, not here, here also, but here. You have to forget this. Here, the bigger number is negative. So, minus 1 is your answer of such questions. Okay. Now, suppose it would have been this plus of minus 1. Then what? Plus of minus 1. Remember this thing? When one thing is plus, one thing is minus, you go for subtraction. Change of sign, right? So, these two would make a negative. 2, negative 1, right? Now again, when the sign, this is gone now. Now this is gone. This is my new question. Now, when both the signs are same, we do addition. Addition of just the numbers, 3. But what sign would come in front of my answer? The bigger number, which was 2. So, minus 3. That's the answer. Okay. I hope till now it made sense. So, okay. Now we are going to just use all of this, whatever we just learned in algebra, like proper typical algebra where we do X things, right? Okay. So, you know this thing, whatever is number written in front of it, like say 1. So this is coefficient. Coefficient, whatever you can call it. Okay. Now, suppose this minus 2x is written. What do? Xx would remain same. 1 minus 2. Do it separately. First number is positive, second number is negative. Remember that table. If you haven't made notes, please do it now. Go back in the video, just make notes, okay? So, first number this, signs are different. Subtraction, 2 minus 1, 1. Sign in front would be of bigger number. Minus 1. Minus 1 is the answer. This thing's answer is this thing. Done. Right? So let's do some more like this. So I have written all the numbers same, but now again we're going to use just the coefficient. Answer would come in single y. Please do not y minus y. Do not do that. Okay. Now, first number positive, second number negative. Means we're going to do normal subtraction. 7 and 2. Normal subtraction. This one, last one here. Okay. Normal subtraction. 7 minus 2 is 5. The sign would be of bigger number. Sign would be of bigger number. What is bigger number? This. So positive 5y. You can check it later on with Google or anything. Okay. Now next, first number negative, second number positive. I hope you can see that. First number negative, second number positive. Means this one. Subtraction again. 5. Sign of bigger number. Bigger number is negative. Minus 5y. Positive, addition. 9y. Negative, again addition. And sign of bigger number, 7, which is 7. When I'm talking about number, please do not go for sign. Number means absolute value. Number means mod. Have you done mod yet? Mod means this mod. Like mod of negative 7 is 7. Mod of 7 is also 7. So that mod. Okay. So number means just the number. Sign means including sign. Okay. So this is the whole signs, laws of sign in algebra or anything. And now for you guys, there is another question. I hope you can comment it below. So what would be the answer of 6x minus 7y? Right? Okay. So do comment me in the comment box. And okay. So let's talk about multiplication and division in algebra. And I forgot to tell you, division is also kind of multiplication, right? So in the previous one, when I said minus would be cancelled out, in division also, like minus 15 over minus 3, they would be cancelled out, okay? And normal answer would be 5. So same thing happens. Whatever happens in multiplication, same happens in division. Whatever happens in addition goes for subtraction, okay? Now, positive, no sign issue. This multiply this. Now, do you know that coefficient is also getting multiplied with variable in an expression, in a term? So they are actually getting multiplied as well. So everything is getting multiplied here. Everything is multiplying. 7, 2, 14. Y times y. Y square. I hope that makes sense. 2 y's are there. So y power 2 because y and y are getting multiplied. Next. One negative is there. No negative here. Sorted. Next. Negative cancels out. Next, 1 negative. I hope this whole thing is making sense, and if not, do comment me your queries in the comment box. Let's quickly check for division as well. Negative negative cancels out. This would be solved separately, this would be solved separately. X divided by x, 15 divided by 3, its answer is literally just 5. No x would be there. One minus, there is no other minus to get cancelled with something. So, minus 5 as it is. Here are 2 x's. This means 1x gets multiplied here, right? 1x cancel. This is the answer. Same thing is working out. Okay, so how can I forget you guys? So this is the question for you to comment down below. This is your homework question. Do let me know how are you doing this. Did you understand whatever I taught you today? And do comment me its answer in the comment box. And for today, thank you so much for mentioning this topic to us. Do share with me the other content, whichever you want to understand from me. Okay, so that's it from my side. Okay, bye. Take care. Happy learning, guys.